We're getting new gutters today. Leaf filter is here to replace our old 1979 gutters. Heavier gauge aluminum, they're pretty beat up and they just don't hold the water as well anymore. A couple leaks too. Out come the old. Unfortunately, the fascia boards are not level across the full length of the garage, so the gutter in one end is just going to barely be at the lip of the fascia board in order to get the right drop for the water to drain out. I can't wait to replace this gutter in front of the front door. As you can see, it's damaged and it drips through constantly. Can this metal be recycled?
Yeah, absolutely.
There goes the old piece. Is that unusual to see a lot of debris in between the gutter and the fascia board?
Nah, not really.
A lot of debris gets stuck between the gutter and the fascia board. Pretty typical, I guess, especially after years and years. The shingles look okay for a few years?
Oh yeah, no, that's good shape.
So far, no issues with the fascia board. At least there's no rot or nothing remarkable. The roof tiles are in good condition. Probably get another 5 years on it, or maybe more, hopefully. It's bending the gutter right this moment. Get that out.
Now follow over to this side.
Yeah, tell you what, why don't we just go with all new downspouts, and so we'll not have any more confusion.
Lots of debris came down with the old gutters.
Coming along now. The wheat gutters are a little bit different color than the current trim, but it's close enough and it looks great. Gonna be a downspout over there and a second downspout at this end.
I mean, to get a 90, you have to use 2 of them. Outside that, you know, you're going straight down.
I'm gonna cut the downspout. Looks pretty good. A lot of debris that was between the gutter and the fascia board. Still, it doesn't seem to be any rot. Very wet though. There's some rot here on the edge of the roof. According to Greg, it's probably likely from the lack of a drip edge. That would be right under the tile here and wrapped over the fascia board to keep water from running down the fascia board and underneath the tile. Here comes the first rear gutter. These are hangers for the leaf filters. They're going on the back gutters. Temporary holders until we get them all leveled out and lined up. Got the original downspout hooked up. Now for installing the leaf filters. It's surgical steel. So here are the filters installed in the first section of the garage. The filter allows the water to go into the gutter, but prevents any debris from clogging the downspout in the gutter.
Look under there, you can see your sheathing's all wet.
There is a flange here that keeps the water from going back up underneath, but as Greg just said, the sheathing is wet in this section. Not sure what the cause. And that slick fits right in.
Oh wow, that looks great. Is the fascia board gonna be okay?
I think so. It's just been painted many
the board, I mean.
times. Looking good. First section with the leaf filters on the garage roof. Last section of gutter finally removed. Goodbye. They will be recycled though. Not very pretty without gutters. So here's how we get a measurement using a laser. Got a little mossy section here on the roof. I wonder if that means there's more water here than elsewhere.
Insulation broke.
This is the longest gutter on our house. 48.8. That's how you do it. Now the balancing act. Nice job.
Yeah.
One guy. Pretty impressive. Remove the temporary holder and get a starting point. A second downspout is going to go here, the hole cutter. Most of the leaf filters are installed. Just one section left to go at the downspouts. Final leaf filter in place.
Right.
Couple more screws and the job's done. It can rain now. Well, that's a wrap. All before the rains come again. Definitely from the front of the house, the gutters are a huge improvement.